What's up today, guys? Levi here, and today we are gonna, I'm gonna show you guys all my toy guns. Some of them are gonna be Nerf guns, but okay. I just got a flu shot. My arm's kind of sore. Okay. So first one we got here is this one. So I'm gonna see how it shoots. Kind of jammed.
Did I save it?
Yeah, I think it's jammed. Okay. Oh. Okay. I gotta hold up the camera. Hayden, can you hold the camera for me?
That's on me.
Okay, that's just a toy thing. It kind of creeped me out. So that's how we shoot that one. Hayden's gonna go pick up the bullets for me. And now we'll get to the next one. This one here, I don't really know what it's called, but it's kind of a little gun. So Hayden's gonna be the cameraman again. Show them. Gotta load it. I really like this one. Okay, so now he's gonna pick up those. Okay. Now we got the Mega. It looks like it's already loaded, so it's gonna be the cameraman again. That way. Okay. Oh no, that thing's gonna go off again. It's gonna bother me. I'll do that again. Well, it goes too fast. Okay. Now we got some more. Just gotta load this back up. I'll load that up in a little bit. Okay. Now we have this one. It doesn't shoot bullets, but I might have showed this in another one. So. Okay, I just had to have a little something. This one you have to. Well, you don't really have to do it, but sometimes I pull it back and then. But usually you can just go like that, so. Okay, now, last one. I got this one today, so. Hayden's gonna be the cameraman again. So, here we go. Oh, now Hayden's gonna go get the bullets. Okay. That's all our guns for today now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Bye.